The tire shooter is probably one of our most popular items. I don't think I could cover a pile without a tire shooter anymore, and that's what everyone that has a tire shooter will say. Customers don't want to cover their piles without their tire shooters anymore because it just adds so much more time and labor to all their people. Being able to put the tires where you need them is so much nicer for the guys on top of the pile.
Let's just say you have a 60-foot wide sheet of plastic. How are you going to reach across that? You can carry the tires, and that's basically what people do without a tire shooter. But at the end of the day, what a tire shooter is going to do is get it as absolutely close to possible is where you need to put those sidewalls. A lot of these piles are getting bigger and bigger and bigger, so the name of the game is just getting the tires as close as possible to not have to do the manual labor.
Along with the 16-foot tire shooters, we carry a 23-foot tire shooter. We have all bolt-on hooks. We're able to put any type of loader hookup on them, along with 3-point.
We do demos on that stuff, and what I always like to say is ask the guys on the pile what their opinion is. They're usually very happy with these items because it does take away a lot of the labor.
Our phone number at Midwest Sidewalls is 715-613-5051. If you're interested in either size of tire shooters or wondering if we have that type of hook, you can just give us a call or hit the contact us and send us an email, and then someone will get back to you right away.